Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we will solve 8 power x plus 1 power x is equal to 27 power x. We have to find the value of x, so we'll start the solution of this question. We are given 8 power x plus 1 power x is equal to 27 power x. Now, can we write this 8 as 2 power 3 and this 27 as 3 power 3? Okay. Now replace the equation by these values. It will becomes 2 power 3 whole power x plus 1 power x is equal to 3 power 3 whole power x. Now here use a formula, that is a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, or it will be a power n whole power m. So 2 power 3x plus 1 power x is equal to 3 power 3x. Here on the right hand side we have to make it 1. So we write this equation as 2 power 3x plus 1 power x is equal to 3 power 3x. Divide both sides of the equation by 3 power 3x divided by 3 power 3x divided by 3 power 3x. Here it cancel, so we have 2 power 3x divided by 3 power 3x plus 1 power x divided by 3 power 3x is equal to 1. Now we focus on the left hand side of the equation. We know the formula that a power m divided by b power m is equal to a divided by b whole power m. So we will apply this formula on this first term, so it will becomes 2 divided by 3 whole power 3x plus, can we write 1 power x as 1 power 3x divided by 3 power 3x is equal to 1, or it will become 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1 divided by 3, same formula, raised to the power 3x is equal to 1. Now we focus on this is 1. If we do that, 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3, what will be the answer? Taking 3 LCM, 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So if we replace this 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, then our equation becomes 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to replace 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, here its exponent is 1 and here its exponent is 1. Now we will compare the both terms. Here 2 by 3 power 3x, 2 by 3 power 1. So by comparing, same base to exponent will be 3x is equal to 1 or x will be equal to 1 divided by 3. This is the final value of x. If we deal with this 1 by 3 same bases, 3x is equal to 1 and x will be equal to 1 by 3. Same answer in both the case. If we put this value back in our given question, 8 power x plus 1 power x is equal to 27 power x. What is x? 1 by 3. This is 8 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3, 27 power 1 by 3. What is 8? This is 2 cube plus 1 power 1 by 3 is 1. And what is 27? This is 3 cube 1 by 3. 3 cancel with 3 and 3 cancel with 3. 2 plus 1. 3 is equal to 3. Left hand side equal to right hand side, and x equal to 1 by 3 the final answer. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.